Hey you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be doing something so exciting. I'm coming at you with bare lips because we are going to be swatching a bunch of lip products. And it's by Nova Beauty. Oh my gosh, they're launching their own beauty line. Fashion Nova is launching their own beauty line. Can you guys believe it? Oh my gosh, I am so stoked. Let's jump into it. All right, so this box is like humongous, you guys, but let's open this up. There are like jets flying overhead right now. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, it's so big I can't even hold it up. So we have lipsticks, we've got lip liners, we've got lip glosses, we've got it all. So let's jump into it and get started. Okay, so let's start out with these lip liners. Okay, so we're gonna start out with Nude 01, and let's see what it looks like. That is going on like a dream. That is so pretty, look at that. Wow, and these can be worn all over the lip, so you don't need a lipstick, and yeah, I wanna see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, that is so creamy. Love it. Wow. Super creamy, super matte, but not drying. They also have a diamond tip, and these never need to be sharpened. Also, what's cool about these is they have a little blending brush on the other end. How cute is that? So you can like do a little ombre lip or something along those lines. So cute. These snatched lip liners are cruelty-free, vegan, and only $10. These are sensitive skin friendly as well and can be worn as eyeliner, so that's a plus. Okay, so let's jump over to the lipsticks now. They come in 26 shades, satin, matte, and shimmer finishes. So the formula on these are super moisturizing. They're full coverage, and what's super cool about the case is it's magnetic. So this one is called Rosette. Oh, wow. Ooh, that's super creamy. These have a formula that doesn't crack or smudge, and they retail for $12. Next, we're gonna move on to the High Shine glosses. Okay, so starting us off, this one is called Thick, and it is just a clear gloss. Ooh, that's nice. The High Shine glosses have a formula that's non-sticky, hydrating, not scented, and not heavy. And these retail for $14. Let's jump into the swatches. And that is it for all of the swatches, you guys. I used one of the snatched lip liners, one of the cream lipsticks, and one of the High Shine glosses to create this lippy. What do we think? I just want to say a big thank you to Nova Beauty for sending me these products to try. I cannot wait to play with these products more, you guys. And thank you so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.